It's Sunday lunch and ito na yung most requested video niyo. Magluluto ako ng favorite ng husband and ng anak ko na fried chicken. 1 kilo na quarter leg yung lulutuin natin. Syempre, nilakihan ko yung thigh part. Marinade natin for at least 1 hour. Lagyan natin ng salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Nilagyan ko rin ng calamansi, mga 6 pieces. And patis. Don't worry guys, kahit madami, hindi siya ganun aalat dahil saglit lang ibababad. Nag-add ako ng 2 tablespoon paprika, then haluin na natin. Babad lang natin ng 1 hour. Then, i-ready na natin yung breading. I used crispy fried garlic flavor. Favorite namin yan. And then, nag-add ako ng flour para hindi masyadong maalat. Then, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then, mix lang. And then, yung marinade, lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoon cornstarch and 1 egg. And then, haluin bago natin i-breading. Then, pag mainit na yung mantika, pwede nyo nang isalang agad-agad. Okay, luto na siya. So, hanguin na natin. Ang ganda, di ba? So, guys, pag hindi pa kayo kontento sa pagka-crispy niya, pwede nyo pa siyang i-double fry ng mga 1 minute lang. Pero, okay na sa amin tong ganito. So, ayan na. May lunch na kami. Gumawa yung husband ko ng coleslaw. So, perfect siya for the fried chicken. Try nyo din, guys. Happy lunch!
Ina, bot na naman kami ng gutom. So sa Thai fillet, naglagay ako ng asin. Pero hindi yan sa buhok ko yun. The Maverick nga pala. Lilista ko na lang yung mga ingredients sa baba. Maganda ma-marinate siya overnight. Then sa sasayingin, naglagay ako ng chicken cubes, salt and white pepper. Tapos gawin na natin yung sauce. Nagisa lang ako ng carrot sa butter. At harina. Tapos lalagyan natin ng milk. Pero yun, sa katawan ko yun. And again, asin at paminta. Tapos tatapusin mo ng cream. Pero hindi yung cream na yun, sa The Maverick yun ah. Pag naluto na yung kanin, buhagagin nyo na, tapos lagay nyo yung butter. Tapos ito yung dry mixture natin. Lagay ko na lang sa comment. Dun sa marinated chicken, naglagay akong egg, saka water, saka chili para may kick. Tapos i-pack nyo yan, para maging ganyan yung itsura ng manok. Then pag naluto na, sprinkle lang ng salt, tapos assemble na. Naglagay din pala ako ng garlic butter. Basta yung mga utang ko sa inyo yung ingredients sa baba na lang. Ganun lang kadaling gumawa ng chicken ala.
Hello mga suki, so napansin ko na sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kayo sa mga fried chicken recipe natin. So here's another one for you guys, for this time, ile-level up natin siya with garlic mayo sauce. So guys, napakadali lang gumawa ng garlic mayo. Usually makikita mo lang lahat ng ingredients sa bahay mo. So syempre meron tayong mayonnaise, asin, paminta, garlic, and calamansi. Meron nga rin palang sugar and water, okay? So guys, since hindi natin ito lulutuin, please use mineral or distilled water. And for the garlic guys, I suggest na i-grate nyo siya. Huwag nyo siyang i-food processor. Kasi pag food processor nyo siya, ang dating ng garlic mayo nyo is parang mabuhangin. So ayaw natin ng ganun. And for the chicken guys, gumamit ako ng chicken thigh and dinibone ko lang siya guys. And maraming beses ko na pinakita kung paano ko to tinitimplahan and paano ko ginagawa. So you can check the other video na umabot na nga ng 1.4 million views. So thank you so much guys. Dito lang, ang gagawin mo, pag nilagyan mo siya ng breading, pipigain mo siya sa kamay mo para ganito yung magiging itsura niya bago mo siya ipirito. Kasi guys, tignan nyo, pag napirito na siya, ang ganda ng dating niya sa mata. Kumbaga, ang itsura niya parang crispy-crispy. And basta alam mo yun yung mga commercial chicken na nakikita natin sa mga McDo, ganon, Jollibee. And legit na crispy talaga siya guys, promise. So pinakita ko na rin kung paano ako nagagawa ng breading. Sobrang basic lang din. You can check the other video guys. So for the plating, syempre hindi pwede mawala ang rice. And yung chicken natin, itatap mo lang siya ng white sauce na ginawa natin kanina. And for the decoration, para mas maging kaaya-aya siya sa paningin ng tao, you can use pepino, kamatis, and dahon ng sibuyas. Alam niyo ba guys, yung costing nito is only around 55 pesos. Pero you can sell it for 120 to 150. So, grabe. Kikita ka talaga dito. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Sana ma-share nyo ulit itong video na to. And maraming salamat po.
Being in the UK means we miss out on so many of these cool food trends all over TikTok, like these KFC hot tenders, so let's make them at home. So we'll start by making a simple marinade. You'll need some buttermilk, hot sauce, all of these spices, then throw the tenders in and leave them to sit for a couple of hours. Now we can make the flour mix, so it's flour, corn flour, and a bunch of spices. Now we want to make a thicker kind of batter, so take the original marinade, add an egg and some flour, and then mix it together. And then to coat the tenders, you want to dip it in the flour and give it a really good press, and then back in the thicker batter, and then back in the flour, and then leave it all to rest for about 10 minutes before you start frying. So use some clean oil, get it nice and hot, and then you can dip the chicken in, let them fry for about 5 minutes until they're nice and golden like this. And of course we need to make the sauce, so take some of that frying oil, add some hot sauce, all these spices, then you can throw the chicken in there, My alarm just rang. Oh my god. That just gave me a heart attack. I thought I was back in school. But anyway, that's the tenders. That's it. They were really good. Hope you like it. Bye.
If you have a hard time eating healthy, I'm going to show you how I meal prep my